guys, it's Sejal. I haven't done these kind of videos in a long time, so I thought abhi ki main videos aise hi karti hu. So today I'm going to be talking about how to look more put together. But before that, मेरे पीछे काफी ट्रैफिक की आवाज आएगी. I'm really sorry because this my mic, which a lot of you guys thought was my price tag in my last video, is not working today. This is for your information, a lapel mic, wireless mic होता है, which you can attach to your clothes. Till a few years ago, I used to feel like if I have the same clothes as like my favorite actress or my favorite blogger, why am I not able to achieve a similar kind of look as them? Same blue jeans, same white t-shirt. I don't know why it's not really happening. And I've been doing YouTube since about 4 years now, and especially in the last 1 year, मैं बहुत सारे fashionable events के लिए जा रही हूँ and like wearing different outfits every day. And I feel like I've kind of figured out how you can manage to look neat, put together, stylish, what kind of makeup looks good on me. So I'm gonna share some tips with you which I have figured out. Especially since I moved to Bombay, I feel like I've gotten a little more motivated with being more stylish. So hopefully they help you out whether you're in college, office, whether you like to dress up and have dance parties alone in your bedroom. Please subscribe, like, comment, bell button, and stay tuned till the outro because I'm going to read out one comment and let's begin. Okay, the first one is nail polish. Now I know it may sound a little bit trivial, wow, like nail polish, but I think for your overall look, if you have nice, neat nails, it always makes a big difference. My nail polish, ये अभी थोड़ा पुराना हो गया है. I always put nude or slightly pinkish nail polish. Basically something that's close to my original skin color, and I think it makes my fingers and my hands look very neat, very clean. Or if you can manage a French manicure also looks very good. These days I started putting gel nail polish. So gel nail polish I think कुछ 800-900 रुपए का होता है, which is quite pricey. So मुझे भी लगता था कि I don't know if I want to spend so much money, but for someone like me, my job is to shoot every day. मेरे लिए gel nail polish works much better. Basically it's this thick polish and they dry your nails with a machine and it stays exactly the same for 2 weeks. But the thing is, once your nail starts growing out, your actual nail starts to show. मैं पहले कॉलेज में बहुत ज़्यादा bright colors use करती थी, like blue or like orange. I saw that it really doesn't suit me so much, and this goes with every outfit. Tip number 2 is hair. Okay, in my old videos, I would always ignore hair. For your overall outfit and your look, more than makeup, I think hair makes the most difference. I used to read in magazines and all the celebs would say, oh, on a bad hair day, I just make a ponytail. But especially if you're going out or if you have an event, if you just do something to your hair, like a blow dry hair, या फिर straighten or like curl and keep it neat, that really will make your outfit look very good. For me, if I don't have time or if I'm not getting my hair done by someone else, I'll always straighten it. For my face shape, it really suits my face shape really well and it's easy to do. Straightening में कोई talent नहीं लगता. Or if I don't want to do that, like today, I really didn't want to put more heat on my hair, I just always tie it up. One new thing I learned which is pretty cool, so if you don't want to straighten the back of your hair, you can make it extra curly. So you can tease it up like that, push it back. So सामने से it's nice and neat, but पीछे से if there's some texture, it looks really nice. And another cool trick that you can do with your ponytail if you have a party or if you have an event is that on the rubber band, you can take a little piece of your hair, twist it around the rubber band and pin it with a pin. Another cool trick is hairspray with a toothbrush. If you have any hairstyle or if you have any flyaways, it'll just lock it into place. मेरे बाल बहुत silky हैं and for something like that to stay, I just crunched it up and sprayed hairspray on it once. You shouldn't put hairspray on your hair every day, definitely, but only for special occasions. And another thing is to spray the hairspray on a toothbrush like this. मेरा ये एक बहुत annoying चीज़ निकलती रहती है, which I really don't like. So I just take it with a toothbrush and push it back. And I just comb it back like that. Neaten the hair from the back like this. Next up are clothes. It's taken me a while to figure out कि क्या styles मेरी body को suit करते हैं, what styles I'm comfortable in, what I personally really like to wear. And I think it all just comes with like trying different things every day. So I know most लोगों के पास ये सब चीजें करने का time नहीं होता, but I would suggest a few things when you're picking out what to wear. Try and firstly wear clothes that you're extremely comfortable in. कुछ भी थोड़ा सा भी हो मुझे feel कि नहीं, I'm not able to walk properly or I'm not able to sit properly, or if you just feel like कि कोई style is not feeling you, just don't wear it. Second thing is to keep clothes in your cupboard that fit you properly. अभी मैंने बहुत सारे कपड़े discard किए थे which weren't fitting me properly from my butt or my thighs or my stomach, and I just let them go क्योंकि कोई point नहीं है wearing things that you're not fitting into. Keeping a 24 size की jeans because though मैं gym जाऊँगी कभी, but वो नहीं होगा. So it's just better to wear clothes in your size because that'll actually make your body look the best it can actually look. And the last thing is to figure out what flatters your body. And वो एक दिन में पता नहीं चलता, it takes a while to figure it out. So I thought I'll take you through my pictures and show you how I think about what I want to wear and why I actually wear it. If you look in the mirror, you can figure out ki what are the good parts about your body. Please don't count the bad parts about your body because that's just the worst thing to do. But I know I have fabulous collarbones like my mother, so I like to show them off. I have a good height, so I want to show that I'm tall. Other than that, I have like dusky skin tone, so bright colors like red really look good on my skin, white really looks good on my skin. So this is a bodycon dress. I personally would never wear bodycon dresses because in my body type, चाहे मैं जितना भी workout कर लूँ, I always have a little bit of a paunch tummy. So I just don't feel comfortable like just wearing something super tight because पूरे time सीधा बैठना पड़ता है and then कुछ खा लो, then it becomes more accentuated. So I would personally never wear it unless, like in this dress, the material of the dress is really thick and sturdy. So it fits your body very well and it doesn't like stick to your body, and so that you don't have to wear an inner or anything. And it's also showing a lot of my shoulders that I like about my body. This dress again, showing off the collarbones. It cinches on my waist. So यहाँ तक my body looks really nice and lean and elegant and then it flows. It gives your body a nice shape. This is one of my favorite outfits these days. I love wearing something not so feminine and then pairing it with something feminine. So ये जो jeans हैं, these are actually boyfriend jeans. Chilled out और काफी cool सी jeans हैं. उसके साथ I'm wearing basics and then I paired it with a full white bag. And in terms of how it suits my body, anything plain, anything basic will always look good as long as वो अच्छी quality का हो. So that brings me to another point. Your basics, whether you buy them from the mall or a fancy ass brand or from Sarojini Nagar or any street market, just make sure it looks like it's good quality and is actually comfortable. These are the same jeans. These are from Zara. I know not everyone can afford to go to Zara every day. The reason I really like them is because of the color of the wash. Usually light washes में ना क्या होता है, चाहे कहीं से भी लो, they may not look like they're really good quality. So if you can try and go for a dark wash denim or a medium color like this, because it will always look like good quality. मेरे पास ये plain black denims है. So a dark color instantly makes anything look good. With black denim also वो गंदा सा denim होता है ना, which kind of looks उसके बीच में white chalk जैसा effect है. I would say to not buy that. Just buy something nice, plain and dark and simple. Black and white and solid colored t-shirts, spaghettis, they come in handy all the time. So if you can, just keep buying new ones all the time. This is a plain black spaghetti जो मैंने कमला नगर मार्केट से ली थी कुछ 2.5 साल पहले and अभी तक चल रही है. Okay, the reason I'm showing this outfit, my amazing red gown. I know रोज किसी को gown नहीं पहनना होता, but for a शादी, big birthday party, although it's hugging my body really nicely, but I wanted it to show the best parts of my body. So I wanted the shoulder to be plain so that you can see my collarbones. I wanted there to be some detail around my stomach because I don't like to restrict my eating or feel like conscious about my stomach. So I wanted something to be here, like something sturdy, and then show my leg with a slit so that you can see my height, you can see my legs, and red because red goes with my kind of skin color really well. If you feel like your stomach area is something you're conscious of, wearing quad sets is really good because it breaks up the outfit. So all your attention isn't on the middle part of your body. Okay, this outfit, the same white Kamla Nagar ka top that I showed you, looks so damn nice in this outfit. It's very simple top, simple jeans with a nice bag, which brings me to another thing that you should have is a good bag. The reason I like this a lot is because it's like a chill design, it's very simple and it's something that will go with everything. It has a nice chain. Something that has a good chain always looks good. It just makes your outfit look 10 times better. Now, I wore it for an event of mine. I really like because it's all white. And it's different designs, but it's all white. So if you have one color also, you look really simple and you look very structured. Okay, another thing that I really do a lot to make an outfit is to match different colors. So in this outfit, जो मेरा blazer का color है has a little bit of pink and red in it. So inside I'm wearing a pink sports bra. And my shoes are also in the same color tone. If you're going for one simple look, wear your clothes in one color, leave your accessories in another color. Next thing is jewelry. So on a daily basis, अगर मैं कुछ crazy statement jewelry नहीं पहनती, I always like to wear simple, elegant jewelry. And I do two things. Either I'll wear all silver or I'll wear all gold. Wearing simple, elegant jewelry like this, it looks more, I don't want to say it, but it makes it look a little more expensive. Everyone should have at least these 3 basic shoes and you will be chill in life. Nude colored heels or skin colored heels that you can actually wear. Iski heel crazy or painful nahi hai. Black heels, don't look at these, they're very dirty क्योंकि मैं 2 साल से सिर्फ ये जूते पहन रही हूँ. And ankle straps. I find that if you wear heels with ankle straps, they make your leg look very long. And ankle strap heels go with a lot of outfits, like every outfit. तभी तो मैं जूते इतने ज़्यादा पहनती हूँ. And last, sneakers. I would say white sneakers with a little bit of a design. Super important thing is makeup. In the starting phase of my channel, I used to wear really like too much वाला makeup and अच्छे से करा हुआ makeup नहीं. अभी भी it's not like I'm a makeup expert. मैं James Charles नहीं हूँ. I found makeup that I can do easily and that looks nice on my face. Simple, no makeup kind of look works really well, at least for me. Basic foundation, very basic eyeshadow and mascara and lipstick. Lipstick, I found if you find nice colors that actually suit your skin can make your whole makeup look so nice and elegant. Bright colors look really good, but if you don't do it properly with the rest of your makeup, it really doesn't look that nice. I found a lot of nude and like peachy lipsticks that I'm really comfortable in for an everyday basis. And on top of that, a little bit of gloss makes your lips look really nice as well. This is not really looking put together, but looking good as such is, of course, eat healthy, drink tons of water. It'll make your skin look amazing. मैं आजकल 3 बड़ी 1 liter वाली bottles पी जाती हूँ, so my skin is looking really good because of that. And like exercise, I went for a freaking trek last night, guys. I'm so fit. I'm at least trying to be. I went for a midnight like raat wali trek to this place called Kalsubai, which is close to Bombay. It's 2 hours away. So do stuff like that. Keep active, keep really healthy and fit, because then you're feeling good about yourself and you're inspired to try more new outfits, more looks, and your skin will look very good. So hope that helped you out. And as promised, don't go away. I'm going to read that comment out that I had asked for. It's from Nandita Roy. I had asked for stories about if you've moved out and if you've ever lived alone. Something weird about that. Moving out for the first time is a tough thing. We get to learn so many things. Every day is a new kind of challenge, but we get to learn so many things which we would have never thought of when we were just at home. When I moved out for the first time, the weirdest experience was that the neighborhood people were so interested in our lives and what we eat and all that. That's actually so true, and it's happened with me so much. Because I'm a YouTuber, so when I first moved here, मैंने किसी को बताया नहीं था कि मैं actually क्या करती हूँ. Because I was just like, I don't know if I really want to talk about it, because YouTubing still a lot of people don't get it. You know, with the amount of packages that I get, and मैं हर रोज एक अलग outfit में बाहर निकलती हूँ with my teammates. And like sometimes I'm wearing really extravagant clothes. You know, the guard in my building, I don't know what he thinks what I do, and I've heard like rumors that people are talking, oh, like YouTuber lives in this building. It is really weird, but it's very funny. So anyway, that's it from me. If you enjoyed, as always, subscribe, like, comment, bell button, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
But I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, alright. This rare finger for people like them. Oh, no. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone.